Have you ever wondered why some civil engineering firms consistently grow stronger with every project while others struggle to keep up, even with similar resources? Why do certain teams adapt to new technologies, innovate faster, and deliver with confidence while others fall behind? If you have ever asked yourself these questions, you are not alone. Before we go deeper, share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think makes some engineering teams thrive while others stagnate? In today's fast-moving civil engineering world, the ability to strengthen internal expertise is what separates success from survival. Yet the secret to building that expertise does not always come from within. Sometimes it comes from the right collaboration through civil engineering outsourcing. For many years, outsourcing was seen only as a way to cut costs or offload repetitive work. But that view is outdated. In reality, outsourcing has become a strategic approach to build knowledge, develop skills, and strengthen in-house teams. When executed properly, it becomes a living classroom where engineers learn by doing, through real projects and real challenges. When a firm partners with an external team skilled in tools like Civil 3D or InfraWorks, the collaboration creates a natural flow of knowledge. Internal engineers gain exposure to digital workflows, advanced modeling, and global standards that enhance their technical ability. Instead of spending months on training programs, they learn in action working side by side with experts, observing, applying, and improving with each task. This process does more than upgrade technical skills. It shapes the way teams think and communicate. Outsourcing introduces structured workflows, disciplined project management, and quality assurance systems that encourage precision and accountability. Internal teams begin to mirror these standards, leading to better documentation, smoother coordination, and stronger overall performance. Still, one common misconception remains, that outsourcing weakens internal teams or reduces control. The truth is the opposite. Strategic outsourcing frees engineers from time-consuming tasks, allowing them to focus on design innovation, client relationships, and complex problem-solving. It becomes a support system that enhances core expertise, rather than replacing it. To understand how this can work in practice, consider AXA Engineers, a trusted partner known for helping firms grow stronger through collaboration. Established with a mission to connect global project demands with outstanding engineering talent from Vietnam, AXA Engineers has become a bridge between ambition and capability. Each project handled by AXA Engineers is treated not as a transaction, but as a partnership focused on quality, learning, and long-term progress. Through disciplined quality systems and transparent communication, AXA Engineers ensures that collaboration leads to real improvement. Partnering firms often find that their own teams become more efficient, precise, and adaptable after working together. The relationship goes beyond drawings and deadlines. It becomes a shared journey of growth. This approach turns outsourcing into a team development strategy. It gives internal staff the chance to learn from global practices, adopt better tools, and understand how leading firms manage projects with excellence. Over time, every collaboration builds confidence, deepens expertise, and creates lasting value. As the civil engineering industry continues to evolve, those who thrive will be the ones who see outsourcing not as a shortcut, but as a strategic investment in their people. When guided by trust, structure, and shared purpose, it has the power to transform how firms grow and how engineers learn. So, if you are a civil engineering professional watching this, remember this thought. Outsourcing is not about what you hand over. It is about what you gain. The insights, the processes, and the expertise that come through collaboration will strengthen your team far beyond a single project. And if you want to see how true partnership can boost capability and build confidence, follow AXA Engineers for more stories, insights, and strategies that help civil engineering firms grow stronger together.